Welcome everyone. It's Neil Armstrong here from Marketing Adventures and welcome to my VideoZ Agency review. David, our host, is going to tell you more about VideoZ Agency, so please watch the video till its end.
Hello everyone, welcome back. This is David here with Marketing Adventures, and I'm here on the sales page of VideoZ Agency, which launches tomorrow, August 20th at 10:30 a.m. So I'm here to reinitiate the reasons of this video review is that it is the world's first ever video builder focused on 100% for agencies only. So if you're in the IT industry or in the marketing industry, you're helping those that have either a chiropractic office, a dental office, a car repair shop, a roofer, they have a health spa, even restaurants, especially right now in these uncertain times, carpet cleaning, and many other types of businesses. This video program platform is going to help you with that. It's completely 100% customizable for all your clients and your prospects. It has voiceovers, which is really awesome, so that'll really help. You can add text into the video and so forth, that which will indicate more for support for customers. You could do any niche that you want. It has over 100 templates, and they're fully customizable, as I said before, and they also have explainer videos and whiteboard videos and real person videos as well. They also have animated videos like you saw with my little friend Neil Armstrong before, plus voiceovers and many other templates. It's 100% focused to help agencies, video and local marketing specifically. So if you have a business that is suffering with these uncertain times, especially with COVID, this will give them the upper advantage to promote their business and get them back on the face of the world. Completely powerful applications that you can see. There's going to be a live demo tomorrow with Mario at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Thursday, August 20th. So it's an early bird, it's a full walkthrough, so it's going to be extremely special and different. So I think that your customers will really appreciate the efforts that you will put in place for them to help them with all of this effort and getting their business going. I'm going to play one of the videos here, which is also on the sales page as well, and my sales page is right here, or bonus page actually. So if you go over and click on one of the links below down in the video, you'll come and land on this video bonus page, and this bonus page will expire on the Monday, the August 24th at 11:59 p.m. And I have the bonuses right here for you. First bonus, of course, is a how to rank your videos on YouTube pretty fast. There's a really cool application here for that. I also have access to unlimited traffic, which is going to give you a great advantage for your VideoZ Agency program and help those local businesses expand their business more. I also have a really powerful bonus of SEO hacks, 10 of them that you would not even imagine. So these are really going to be very good bonus for you to help as well. Plus 2,500 email swipes is going to help you along with that on that one. Plus, if he's going to offer a bonus, he hasn't mentioned a bonus, but if he does, I will give you those as well. So you got to remember, you have to do this before the countdown expires. Feel free to look around with other vendors and other marketers to see what they have to offer. If you find that they don't have what they have, what to offer like I have, you can come back and click on one of these links, but you must click on the blue link before the 24th at midnight. Otherwise, my bonuses will be all gone. So now back on the sales page, we do have a video here. I'm going to play the video for you, and I'm going to expand it out so you can watch that.
Hello, it's me Mario, and I'm going to give you a demo of VideoZ Agency, which is the first video builder that is 100% fully dedicated to agency and local marketing videos and niches. Okay, so the most exciting part, if I click here on templates, you will see that we have over 100 video templates available here for agencies and local marketers and video marketers. But the unique thing is they're all for local businesses. Okay, so you can first of all customize them for your prospect and client, but then here's the other unique thing about our video builders: we're giving you different types of videos. Usually you just get one type. We're giving you animated videos, we're giving you real people videos, whiteboard videos, explainer videos, the list goes on and on. And as you can see, we have all kinds of different templates right here. And here on top, the cool thing is that we have them broken down into niches, right? So restaurant right here, travel, wedding, real estate, sport, business, beauty shop, healthcare professionals, contractors, marketing, home cleaning, and then many of them have many subcategories, right? So if I click here on contractors, you can see here we have roofing, home painter, handyman, kitchen remodeling. I mean, the list just goes on and on and on. And you can see here that we have also on the professional different niches available with different types of videos, right? From explainer videos, like I mentioned, and other videos. But here's also another cool thing. Many of these videos have voiceovers already included. So you're not just saving the money on the video, you're also saving money by not having to actually hire a voiceover specialist, right? So let's just check it out how easy it is to edit these videos. So let's say I click here on restaurant, and I want to go with a explainer video. Let's go with this one right here. I can click on it and then I can preview it. So I'm going to preview it with you really quick just to see the quality.
Searching for the best restaurant in your area? Take a quick moment to consider this. Most people agree 6 important aspects will provide the most satisfying.
So as you can see, this is an explainer type video, right? Now this animation that you see here, you cannot edit this, but we have other templates where you can edit all of that. But here's the cool thing. At the end, there's a call to action that I'm going to show you right now, and you can fully customize the call to action for your prospect and for your client with their website or with their call to action. Let me show you.
To you. Visit our website for hours, specials, and directions.
All right, this right here I can customize, right? In this specific example, we have other videos for you that are animated where you can customize everything, even the slides, the text, everything. But let's say you like this video, I can click here on edit, and then it's going to take me to the editor, which is super simple. We have the slide here, I can preview the video.
Searching.
I can pause it, or I can go straight to the call to action, right? So it takes me here to the call to action. I can customize this right here. If I want to customize the phone number and email, it shows up right here, right? If I want to change the number, I can go here on the upper left and I just put an example number of my client, and then I can just save it, right? If you want to change the font or text size, you can do it right here. I can click here on save. Then I go out of this window, and then I'm going to go to this call to action with the email, and I can change this also and say mario@gmail.com. This would be obviously the email of your actual client. I can save this as well, and then I can also go to the logo right here, can upload a logo and fully customize everything here to my liking, right? When I'm done, I can export it. But if you don't want to use our voiceover, but you want to use background music that we provide, I can click here on audio, and here you can listen to the voiceover.
Searching for the best restaurant?
Or I can click here on swap. And now I have hundreds of background music tracks available for you that you can choose, and you can add them to your actual video, or you can disable it and you can upload your own audio track here as well if you want to choose to do that. Okay, you can do it as well. Can click away and then upload it, and then you just click here on export, and it's going to render the video and you're going to be good to go. I'm going to show you example how that looks like. Okay, if I go back here to my actual templates, I want to show you a different type of template, right? This was an explainer one. Let me show you a different one where you can change even slides and everything like that. Let's go here with healthcare, and then let's go with the, let's say, the medical equipment. So I can click here, going to preview it real quick. So as you can see, this is real people in this video, right? So this is a cool video that you can also use as a style of video. I can click here on edit, and then here on the left hand side, you're going to see that I have the slides, right? I can go to each slide and customize the text. And then on the right hand side where it says layers, I just click on edit, and then I can change the text right here, right? It says qualified medical team. So I'm going to say here medical equipment in Miami. Okay. And then I can change the font right here. I can change the text size right here, background color or the text color, right? Save this. And then just for fun, I'm going to go to the second slide where it says top medical equipment. I can go here and I'm going to say cutting edge technology. Cool. That is done. Okay. Save it. And the other slides, you know what, just for this example's sake, I am going to leave them the way they are. Best environment for patients. Cool, that works for me. Again, if you want to change the audio, if the audio was too slow or something like that, you just click here on audio and you change the audio right here, or you can upload your own audio if that is something that you want to do. I'm just going to click here on export, and then what it's going to do, it's going to render it, and then I can go to my videos, and then I'm going to see it in action. All right, I'm going to show you that in just a moment. Another thing I want to show you here, with the templates is that if you want to pick any of them, you just go through, right? Computer repair, electricians, health and safety, beauty salon, any niche that you can think of, we have it. Small business management, video marketing, dentist, real estate, wedding invitation. I mean, the list goes on and on. We also have a white label option here available. It's one of the upgrades if you love to have your own software company and resell this under your name and brand with your own custom domain, your own logo. You can do that as well. We have tutorials right here. Now, if I click to my videos, I'm going to see the videos that I rendered. Okay, so let's go with the one that we just looked at. I can click here on the video and press play. Now here it says Medical Equipment Miami with a different soundtrack, cutting edge technology. So as you can see, I customized the slides right here and I'm good to go. And that's about it. That's how easy it is to use VideoZ Agency. Now remember, everything comes with a commercial license, right? You can use these videos immediately. You can sell them to local businesses. You can sell them on Fiverr. You know, on Fiverr there's people charging hundreds and hundreds of dollars for explainer videos, for whiteboard videos. There's so many ways for you to make money with this, okay? And there's also a white label option here available that we have on the left hand side. Like I mentioned, there's tutorials right here, support. There's everything you need right here to sell videos successfully to local businesses or anyone else, any business that you can imagine that needs help, okay? And all you have to do is just click on templates, you pick the template, you customize it for your client, and then you're going to be good to go. Another thing I want to show really quick, if you click on my videos and you click here on this button right here, it's going to allow you to preview the video. So it's going to give you a link. And then here, if you click on share, it's also going to give you a link that you can send to your client. And if your client has an edit, you can just click here on edit, you customize the video, you render it, and then you send it to the client and you take your payment from that client, right? You can obviously also download it, or you can also duplicate it here as well. Another cool option. I hope that all makes sense. I'm pretty excited about this software right here, this video builder specifically for actual agencies, local marketers, video marketers, like I said, and then there's also some video stock right here, audio stock. These are some of the upgrades that are also available, right? So thank you so much for your time. I cannot wait to see you inside the members area. Thank you. Talk soon.
Well, as you can see, this is a very powerful software for someone that is in the local market industry. So if you were an IT person or an SEO consultant, or even if you're a web designer, it doesn't matter what kind of industry that you are trying to get and promote local clients. This is a great avenue tool to do that for all the kinds of industry. So it's a very powerful program, and I think you're going to be quite pleased with it, as they are free, you know, or you do get agency rights with it, which is really nice. So the demo was pretty informative and very creative, I think, and I really enjoyed that. So remember, you got to go over down to my link down below on the web on this video and click on any one of these blue buttons in order to access this particular product, and you get all these bonuses on the front end. And like I said, he hasn't offered any vendor bonuses, but if he does, I will pass them over to you as well. Just make sure you go over to the JV link down here on the bottom. Once you've checked out and you paid for it, you will see it down here in the blue, and then that will access all the bonuses to this product. So this is David, and I thank you for visiting this video today, and hope to see you tomorrow when this launches, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks.